What if you could cut your study time in half using AI? Today I'll share 7 AI study hacks every student needs. And hack number 7 will completely change how you study forever. Stick around, because hack number 6 is one most students completely overlook. Welcome back to the channel where we help students study smarter, not harder. I'm breaking down the most powerful AI tools and hacks that will save you hours every week, whether it's writing essays, making study guides, or organizing your workload. These are real tools and real strategies you can start using today. Hack number 1, Smart Note Summaries. Instead of rereading 20 pages of notes, use Notion AI or ChatGPT to instantly summarize your lectures. Paste your notes and get a structured summary in seconds, with headings, bullet points, and key terms. For example, instead of spending 2 hours reviewing a lecture, you can get a concise one-page guide in under a minute, freeing up time for deeper learning. Hack number 2, Auto Flashcards. Stop wasting time making flashcards. Quizlet's AI integration turns your notes into thousands of flashcards instantly. Better yet, it adapts them to your learning style, whether that's visual learning, repetition, or active recall. Imagine preparing for a biology exam without manually creating each card. It's a huge time saver. Hack number 3, Group Project Mastery. For group projects, Scribe AI records your workflow and instantly creates detailed step-by-step guides. This means no more confusion, fewer miscommunications, and much faster collaboration. You can share these guides with teammates instantly, keeping everyone on the same page without hours of back and forth. Hack number 4, Research Made Easy. Instead of scrolling endlessly for academic papers, Elicit AI does the heavy lifting for you. Just type your topic, and it finds the most relevant studies, summarizes the key findings, and organizes everything clearly. For essays or research projects, this can save hours and help ensure your work is based on credible sources. Hack number 5, Brainstorm Like a Pro. ChatGPT isn't just for writing essays. It's a powerful brainstorming assistant. Use it to generate project ideas, outlines, or even exam questions. You can even ask it to generate multiple perspectives on a topic, which is invaluable for critical thinking and deeper learning. Hack number 6, Personal Study Planner. Combine AI with your calendar to optimize your study schedule. Notion AI can create dynamic study plans that adjust based on your workload and deadlines. For example, if you have a test in 2 days and a project due next week, I can reorganize your plan so you focus on what matters most, without the stress of figuring it out manually. Hack number 7, AI-powered revision. Perplexity AI is like having a research assistant in your pocket. It delivers quick, cited summaries for topics and double-checks your facts. Instead of spending hours verifying information, you can get reliable answers in seconds. Before your exam, this is a game changer for efficient revision. Bonus: combine Clockify or Toggl with Notion AI to track how much time you spend studying and identify areas to improve. AI can then help restructure your schedule so you get maximum results in less time, turning your study habits into a productivity machine. Which of these AI hacks will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI productivity tips and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Thanks for watching. Now go study smarter.